Good morning, my dear friends and my respected ma'am. Today, I, Kanak Agrawal of Class 12th Commerce, is making this video to explain you all about my Term 1 and Term 2 Informatic Practices project work, which is solely done by me. And, and this project is based on the topic of Railway Reservation System. So at first, I have made an index in which the content of the project is given. Then I have added preface and acknowledgement in which I have thanked my informatic practices teachers Mrs. Nandini Das ma'am for her help during the making of this project and my friends and family to help me throughout this project. I am really very thankful to you all for helping me, and at last I have added the certificate in which the Nandini ma'am has signed. So I started this project by defining my project topic, that is railway reservation system. So I have first defined what is railway reservation. Then I added the working description in which I have worked throughout the project. My working description contains read CSV, which reads all the CSV file which is stored in computer or device. It also contained line plot, and I have written all the softwares and hardware I used. Like I will like to give you all the software specification. Like operating system, I have used Windows 10 and database is CSV file. Platform I used is Python IDLE 3.7 and the language is Python. In this project, I have also used Pandas, Matplotlib and MS Office. I collected so many datas to make my project, and I used so many hypotheses to make my project look more beautiful and attractive. First, I started it planning that how could I proceed for this project by making what it will help me to understand and analyze the project, and I tried to make this project so simple and easy so that everyone could see will able to understand my project, that what I want to convey in this project. And I hope you all will like this project. So let's begin with the programming. At first, I had imported pandas and matplotlib from the library. Then by using the def menu, I started the project and printed all the details I wanted to. So in this project, I have added to know about the train, reading file train, adding new train details in file, schedule of all the trains, total numbers of train, sorting train by numbers of train fare, train enquiry, cancelled train, delay in arrival, read passengers, adding new passengers in detail, ticket reservation, so ticket status or ticket reservation, top and bottom records from the passenger, and at last I have showed it in bar graph and I used line plot. So after that the output came and I have entered all the choice I wanted to, and the final result is here. So this project helped me to get more know about CSV files and charts and data frames. I really enjoyed during the data visualization. It also helped us to know how the data is imported and exported. So this is all about my term 1 project, and let's proceed to term 2 project. So in term 2 project, I have made all these things same as term 1, like preface, index, acknowledgement and certificate. Then I started making this project, and term 2 project is solely based on MySQL connectivity, and this topic is same, railway reservation system. In this, I have made train details, reservation of ticket, cancellation of ticket, display PNR number and quit menu. After that, I added all the details and the output is here. At the last, I added a bibliography page and a page which contains the information that this project is solely designed by me and I hadn't copied it from anywhere else, and I have signed in it. And thanking you all for seeing my video, and so ending this video here. I hope you all like it. Thanking you all. Kanak Agrawal, class 12th Commerce.